Welcome back, you guys, to part 4 of Scavenging a Microwave Oven. So I've sorted here from not so deadly to really deadly, and also from the best parts to the least greatest parts. So here we have the control panel from the microwave. I'm going to do some desoldering, take off that transformer, but that's about it, because then I can just turn all of that into a timer. You know, basically microwave also is a timer. And over here we have this AC motor, fun to play around with. And then this servo, which is 120 volts AC again. And then this is a sensor. High voltage capacitor, about 2000 volts AC. And a microwave oven transformer, which is about 5000 volts AC. It's half amount of voltage of a neon sign transformer. I'm gonna do some Linsenberg figures later with that too. And yeah, that's what we got from the microwave today. Microwave's done there, but the actual most deadliest part is the Megatron. So it's in there. Okay, I'm gonna go toss this outside. Not right now, later. But this is what we scavenge. It's amazing. Oh, this capacitor is still charged, so I have to discharge that. Also, like and subscribe for more content. Bye, guys. Also love electronic engineering.